If you own an irrigation farm which relies on pumping water for your crops, you'll only know too well that poor pumping energy efficiencies means higher power bills. So how do we go about measuring our pumping energy efficiency?
This normally involves taking a number of site measurements, including flow, pressure, power, friction losses and elevations, all of which could take a couple of days and be quite costly. Well, what if the auditors find that your system is okay? Then you've wasted your money trying to save money. So how do you assess whether it's worth bringing out the experts to do a pumping energy efficiency audit?
Simple. You, the grower, can do a simple energy efficiency screening test first, using Telemenco's mobile phone app called Ipeeat, which stands for Irrigation Pumping Energy Efficiency Assessment Tool.
Ipeeat considers both pump efficiency and hydraulic efficiency and is based upon common types of irrigation which are represented by 6 unique hydraulic models. By selecting your irrigation type and inputting data from your farm records, plus some on-site measurements, Ipeeat calculates your overall pumping energy efficiency and reads out potential dollar savings. From this you can determine if it's worth bringing in the experts to conduct a more detailed audit, and then be assured that you will get a return from this investment.
So, now there's no excuse for waiting around to assess your irrigation system's pumping energy efficiency. Ipeeat, helping growers to help themselves.